Hi, it's Denise, my real estate, and I've got this beautiful one bedroom, one bathroom here at the Origin. It's 582 square feet with 11-foot soaring ceilings, and this is centrally located at SFU right by all amenities. Plus, you've got your own entrance, which is like a townhome, private patio. I can't wait to give you a tour. Origin. This building sits atop Burnaby Mountain, a city-side retreat that recently became as practical as it is picturesque. Welcome to your 007 unit. And here is your beautiful unit. You come on through, right away you have these 11-foot soaring ceilings. You have your bathroom and as well as your bedroom right in this layout. And here is your beautiful open concept kitchen. You've got stainless steel Samsung appliance package, and I absolutely love the cabinetry. It's got the wood gradient throughout, you've got these beige quartz countertops, and the simple backsplash, simple but yet elegant. And of course, a 4-range gas burner stove for all you chefs out there, a double mount under sink, and you've got everything you need all in one space. Your dining room, living room, your workspace. Really, what more can you ask for? It's right by Nestor's Market. It's only one bus ride to Production Way SkyTrain, and mainly instructors and students who live here, which is a very safe neighborhood, a wonderful community waiting for you. This unit is perfect for an investor or a student or even a first-time home buyer. Right behind me, this is a built-in shelf that is matching with your kitchen cabinetry. And here is your living room. Imagine enjoying a nice cup of beverage, watching some TV, relaxing with these floor-to-ceiling windows. This is a southwest view with so much bright light, and you have another built-in section here for your TV. And as you come on through, you have a separate entrance right here that acts as if it's your townhome. And here is your own private patio with your own private entrance and your own private walk-up. This is perfect for anybody who has a pet, if you like to go for walks or even a hike. This is centrally located in the heart of SFU. Everything is located around the corner. If you'd like to see this beautiful home, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai, and I'm more than happy to set one up for you.